Disinfection is a technical process that involves the use of chemical and physical processes to remove or reduce bacteria through spray and other harmful pathogens from surfaces, crevice and other non-living objects. There is a wide variety of a situation in which something occurs in a home or business facility that involves some type of contamination that requires immediate disinfection. In such a situation, property owners need to recognize the importance of seeking the assistance of a professional disinfection service. There are a number of the important things that you need to know when it comes to disinfection services. What is disinfection? Disinfection is a process that involves the use of chemical and physical processes to remove or reduce bacteria and other harmful pathogens from surfaces, crevice and other non-living objects. How do disinfectants work? Disinfectant is a chemical agent that is applied to surfaces and areas in order to eliminate viruses, bacteria, fungi and mold. Every disinfectant formula contains an active ingredient that damages or disrupts the cells in bacteria to kill them. Besides active ingredients, they also contain some other ingredients for various purposes. Some disinfectants are used alone, while some others in conjunction with other cleaning agents to achieve optimum disinfection. Certain disinfectants are extremely strong and are used to disinfect areas that are highly vulnerable to dangerous pathogens like hospitals. Low-strength disinfectants are used to clean where harmful germs aren't likely to be routinely present. What pathogens disinfection can kill? Generally, disinfectants can kill all types of bacteria and viruses. However, some disinfectants are engineered to kill specific types of pathogens. Some of the most prevalent pathogens eliminated with disinfectants include norovirus, parvovirus, rhinovirus, influenza, swine flu, scabies, MRSA, H1N1, staph, E. coli, tuberculosis, listeria, C. diff, salmonella, SARA, dengue, novel coronavirus. The cleaning and disinfection process. Professional disinfection services begin the process of disinfection with the cleaning of the targeted object, surface to remove any dirt, dust and impurities from it. The cleaning of hard, non-porous surfaces is generally conducted with water and soap, while soft porous surfaces and electronic devices are cleaned with appropriate cleaning products. Once cleaning is done, the actual process of disinfection begins. There are various methods used to apply disinfectants on different surfaces like fogging and fumigation. Disinfection of electronic devices and appliances is generally performed with disinfectant wipes. Final words. While it isn't possible to make your home or business facility absolutely free from illness that cause microbes, however, proper use of disinfectants can significantly reduce the number of bacteria and fungus and help you prevent the diseases that are associated with their presence. While disinfectants are designed to keep people safe from harmful pathogens, however, if not properly, they themselves can be dangerous to human health. They contain ingredients that can be toxic when consumed in excessive quantities. Therefore, the disinfestation should be conducted only by trained professionals with proper protection. Professional disinfection service companies have access to effective disinfectants that not only exterminate existing germs but also provide protection against recontamination for up to 3 months. Disinfection services in Lahore. If you are on the lookout for disinfectant spray in Lahore, Service Square is the company you can trust on. Whether you need a disinfection service for home, office or workplace, we have you covered. We use the most advanced equipment, techniques, and methodologies that make us the most reliable disinfectant service provider among the communities we serve. We understand that no two operations have identical disinfection needs. That is why our disinfection services can be customized to the unique needs of our clients. When you schedule a dengue spray service with US Article Search, our technicians will thoroughly inspect every potentially contaminated surface in your facility and determine the level of disinfection needed before developing an individualized treatment plan. They will then disinfect the targeted surfaces using an appropriate disinfectant to quickly inactivate pathogens from your yard. We only use disinfecting products approved by the Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) that are guaranteed to kill 99% of viruses and bacteria. Our technicians always wear EPA, CDC-approved personal protection equipment (PPE) while conducting the treatment to prevent the likelihood of cross-contamination. They strictly adhere to standard disinfection and sterilization procedures to make sure that the treatment does not cause any adverse impact on human health as well as on the environment.